Hello everyone, welcome to Dada'S Foodcrave kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this delicious attieke with fried chicken, which can also be made with fried fish. If you're new here, welcome you. If you're a returning subscriber, I also welcome you. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget that post notification bell. You'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. If you are interested in seeing how to make this delicious attieke with fried chicken, keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my Dada'S team, let's get started. So here I have my chicken wings, which was already washed with salt, vinegar, and lemon. I'm going to be going ahead and season it with some sazon season. Yes, you can find this seasoning at your local grocery store. It's called sazon. All right, this will give the chicken a beautiful brown color after you fry it. It's also seasoning, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. Then to that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 jumbo cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice or simply use salt. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Yes, a little bit of salt. Adjust the spice to your own liking. Then I'm going to also season it with some white vinegar. Yes, simple as that. Go ahead, give this chicken a good mix. Make sure all the seasoning are all in. Then I'm going to go ahead and also season it with some all-purpose seasoning. Like I say again, adjust the spice to your own liking. This is how I'm seasoning the chicken, so you can adjust it to your liking. Give it a good mix. Now, after mixing it, I'm going to go ahead and keep it in the fridge while I prep the other stuff. All right, let it season for at least 30 minutes to 40 or overnight. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just folding the wings under so that when I fry it, because wings, when you tend to fry it, it kind of like open up. I don't know if you ever fried wings before. That is if you didn't cut it in half. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold the wings under so that when I fry it, it won't spread out. Then I have here onions, garlic, jumbo cube, and habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper with, some onions here, which is for the gravy sauce. Then I also have here some black pepper and some salt. Simple as that. You know how I do it in my kitchen. It's not complicated at all. Add everything into the blender, add my black pepper. I already put in the jumbo cube. Then I added my garlic and my onions and add a little bit of water so that the blending will go smoothly. You don't want to add a lot of water. This blender tends to not blend like my Ninja blender, so that's why I added a little bit of water to it. Add my oil into the pan, and this is the chicken. It's been seasoned and kept in the fridge for a little bit. As you can see, like I said, you want to make sure if you don't cut the wings in half, you just take the whole wing and just fold it under. Then it would just keep everything intact so that when you fry it, it would not spread up. Here I have attieke. This is how the attieke looks like. As you can see, I have 2 different types of box. I opened it up, add my jumbo cube. You can simply just use salt or any seasoning cube of your choice. Yes, I know a lot of people don't eat jumbo, but I do. If you don't eat jumbo, you can just simply just use whatever seasoning you have. All right, added my jumbo. Now I'm going to add enough water. You don't want to add a lot of water now. Just eyeball everything and mix everything and cover it with a towel for at least 5 minutes and come back. Now let's fry our wings. As you can see, you see how the wings are all intact. What you want to do is just fold it under. Take the wing and just fold it under. It will keep everything intact, and it will keep the whole one wing intact so that the hot oil will not spread it out. That's a technique. So after 5 minutes, I came back, check on the attieke. I'm going to go ahead and break it up. The reason why I added water and cover it and come back, you want to give it time to, like, soak up a little bit, then it will swell up a little bit. This will help when you put it in the microwave. It will not take long time to cook. So I went ahead and added into my microwave and microwave it for like 6 minutes, depending on the power of your microwave, depending on the watt of your microwave. All right. Yes. So I added in the microwave for 6 minutes. I believe my microwave is like, the watt is not that high. So 6 minutes, then came back off camera. I chopped in some cucumber, onions, and tomato, fresh tomato. So I added vinegar, salt, and oil. That's it. And black pepper. All right. Vinegar, oil, salt, and black pepper. What I have there is cucumber, onions, and fresh tomato, just to make the salad on the side. Simple as that. That's how I do it in my kitchen. When you watch my video, it's not complicated at all. It's easy step by step to follow. And after mixing everything, I'm going to, obviously, it's salad, put it in the fridge, let it cool. So after 6 minutes, came back, check on my attieke. As you can see, it's cooked nicely in the microwave. You can also use inde and steam the attieke, a steamer pot, but the microwave is faster. So after breaking everything up, I add a little bit more water again. Then I add salt to taste. Adjust everything to your liking. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it back into the microwave for an additional 4 minutes. All right. If you're liking this video so far, give this video a big like and a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share, like, and comment. And also share with your family and friends. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. You'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. After 4 minutes, I came back, check on it after putting it in the microwave. I didn't show that part. 4 minutes later, came back and break it all up and cover it. And that's done. That part is done. Now let's check on our chicken. I'm going to flip it on the other side. This one side is brown already. Flip it out on the other side, let it brown. And then we'll come back. I will fry the chicken, the rest of the chicken off camera. All right, I'm just showing you guys this first batch and see how it looks. You see that salsa seasoning that I put in there? It gives that chicken that nice yellow brown color to it. And not only that, give it a color, it also makes the chicken taste really good. This is usually how I season my chicken when I'm doing fried chicken or whatever, especially if I'm cooking curry stew or whatever. You can also bake the chicken. You don't necessarily have to fry it. If you're the type who's staying away from oil, you can bake the chicken. The frying is better. You can also make this recipe with fried fish, because attieke is usually made with fried fish. As you can see, I gently pour in all my blended ingredients into the oil. You don't want to add water into this. Now you want to be mindful, it might be jumpy. Just fry it gently on a low medium heat until all the water dry down and evaporated. Just dry down, no water added at all. It's a gravy sauce for the attieke. You can also make this recipe with white rice. It's just like fried fish with gravy and white rice. I forgot to buy some plantain, guys, and add it into this recipe. Oh well, this is what I did. I forgot. You can also add some fried plantain to it. Fry that sauce, like I said, in a low medium heat. Do not add any water until it really dry. And if you have additional of that sauce, you can actually freeze it for later use. You can use it for a hot sauce on the side, because that 2 habanero pepper that I added there was very spicy. And this is how our chicken looks like. Everything is nice and brown. Now let's check on our sauce. As you can see, the sauce is fried. All the water is dried down. As you can see, like I said again, do not add any water. You just want to fry it. It's a gravy sauce. Like I said again, also you can make this recipe with fried fish. All right, and save most of the gravy for later if you made a lot. You can eat this with white rice. You can make attieke if you want. All right, but we make it attieke today. If you don't have attieke, you can use white rice. You can make this recipe with white rice. It's just like fried fish with gravy and sauce and all that stuff. All right, so I added my attieke into a bowl just for presentation purposes. And voila, I mold it into a bowl, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to also be like act like that professional chef. You know what I'm talking about, like how they do it like in the restaurant and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the salad on top, on the side, put some on the top, let it drip down, drip down, give it that mountain type of look. Or volcano type of look, if you will. And that's how it looks like. So added my fried chicken on the side. You know how I do it for you guys? I present it for you guys. Nice presentation. Added my fried chicken on the side, and now check on my gravy. As you can see, it's browning up really nice, and all the water is dried down. Now I'm going to go ahead, just add some into a little bowl and present it for you guys really beautifully. Like I said, you can make this recipe with fried fish. So we are making just fried chicken wings, guys. It's all the same, right? All right, like I said again, you could bake the chicken if you want, but no, 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 no. We are going to be frying our wings. You can use chicken drumstick, whatever. I just wanted to make it light and use chicken wings. Okay, it was everything, the combination, the salad on the side, the spiciness of the gravy, the crunchiness of the chicken. This recipe is a must try. And if you're liking this video so far, give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell, like, share, and leave your comment down below. As you can see, guys, this was the first meal I was eating for the day. I was starving, I was hungry, and this was my plate. This is how we usually eat it, and voila. Yes, I know I started using fork eating it, but later, guys, I dropped the fork down and I started eating with my hands. Yes, because I was meant to do justice in this recipe. Yes, so it was so delicious, and I hope you guys will try this recipe. Until I come your way, I thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, I will see you all into my next video. Like, share, and leave your comment below and let me know what you guys think. I appreciate each and every one of you for constantly watching my video, and I thank all my new and old return subscriber for constantly being on my side and being on my team. You all are the best. All right, it was so delicious, man. I'm telling you, it was so delicious. Later, I dropped the fork and used my hand. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.